Samsung has just launched a new version of the Galaxy A. If we can even call it that because it doesn't have the same name. Instead, it has an additional chip and is specifically called the Galaxy Quantum5. If you are not familiar with the Quantum series, Samsung usually releases it every year with a special chip focused on cybersecurity and things related to crypto. This chip is capable of generating completely random numbers in order to enhance security for both banking transactions and when logging into things that need to be very secure. This chip works in conjunction with Samsung Knox, which is a solution that Samsung offers on practically all its devices to keep them very secure and protected. However, together with this chip, security is further enhanced. The rest of the specifications of this device are those of the Galaxy A, so we would find a 6-inch Full HD AMOLED display, protected with Gorilla Glass Victus and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The cameras are exactly the same, with 30 megapixels in the front and 50 megapixels in the back, accompanied by ultra-wide and macro. The processor is the Exynos 1480 with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, Android 14, a 5000 mAh battery, and 25 watts of charging. It also supports IP ratings for water resistance, so I insist it is the same as the Galaxy A55 with an additional chip.